Hello again, this is Priscilla Batzell. I'm in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Fluid Art Studio. That is 10 by 20 inch canvas. That's pre-primed and dry and not got anything else on it. This is some Meeden black paint that has Floetrol and GAC 800 in it. And I'm not sure I've tried exactly this. I may have. I've got over here, you can see a pan of colors. I'm thinking I want to move that. I wish somebody had not tried to play the messages now in the other room. It's very distracting. Okay, so I'm going to take the lid off that. I'm going to do my best. I think I'm going to add some gold in here. I might add some gold and silver. That's Decoart Americana 24 karat gold. Hopefully you can see that. Here's, oh, I didn't get the silver, the true silver unplugged. Well, if I can get it in a minute. Yes, I did. I'll give it a shot. Now, I have a favorite color in the new fluorescence, and it's red violet. So I'm going to use some of that. I have a lot of favorite colors, actually. The next one is a blue-green. But you got to open them, because nothing comes out if you don't. And I'm going to try and transfer these colors onto that canvas. In the fullest scoop possible. And then I'm going to probably do it again, because they look like they started to get a little muddy at the end. So I'll go in from the other side if I can. Pull that back. Push it out of the way again. I forgot that there is a little tiny bit of leftover house paint that was underneath these colors, which I will not be doing again. Because it just muddies the effect. I'm going to grab a Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula if I have one. Yes, I do. And anything else I might want out of that pan, I'm going to put my shovel in the bucket. It's a pretty colored pan. If I want any other colors in there, I should add them. Not like that, though. That was not on purpose. I gotta slow my roll. I do expect to flow them some. And I'm afraid if I take everything, I won't be happy. I'm inclined to put some more black around the outside edge just so I can flow the paint. Throwing that in the bucket, and then I'm going to do exactly what I said. I wonder how far it will flow. I don't really want to do the ends. because they have more paint in them. I hope this works. I'm doing this without an edge catcher. I kind of need to get rid of those bubbles. I think I am going to need an edge catcher, which is nothing more than a sheet of plastic, so that shouldn't be a problem. That'll work. I forget that black is a lot looser than everything else. I thought I saw something in there, and I probably did. Now I've got Minwax gloss and semi-gloss varnish, so if there's any canvas left at the end, as long as this is worth keeping, I can always finish up part of me thinks I could swipe too, kind of liking what the black is doing. I wonder if I have a large edge catcher and I'm not seeing one easily accessible. Or maybe I am. We'll give it a shot. I don't want that dripping. I do want a spatula to get that paint out though. Well, that didn't work very well. It kind of looks good on the canvas though. Maybe I should just go for it. I can always peel it up tomorrow. I want that edge catcher back, even if it makes a mess. Usually I'd flip it back into the canvas, and I can't really do that right now. But I've got all that paint. If I want to do something with it, I'm certain I can. But I kind of like what I've got. It's totally accidental. I need to pull out whatever's in there. I could shimmer it at you. I really want to take the paint I've got and put it back across. I'm not sure it's a great idea, but I'm going to do it anyway. Oh, that serves me right. See how that went? Well, the only way I can think to fix that is to go in there with a few more doodabs. Well, I rescued the rest of my paint. I don't think it was the end of the world that happened. I just wish it hadn't. Hit and run. Maybe I have a card I can remove the rest of that paint with. Yep, that worked. There's always a way. Don't panic, she said to herself mostly. So I love you guys. If you have questions for me, please feel free to ask in comments or on the community board, where you can also see tomorrow's video. I'm not sure I like that dot, but I'm sure I could do something else to it. You could put like more dots of paint in here. I just really love the colors so much that I couldn't stand the idea of wasting them. You could draw patterns, you could draw spirals. I'm not going to do any of that stuff. I'm just going to be happy with what I've got. You could definitely swipe through with some cell activator. Check for the 20% off plus coupon code for Colourarte products, Prizm Pores, Primary Elements, Vivid Intense Fluorescence, and Vivid Intense, as well as whatever tools they have. And new products coming out all the time, so check them out. Pixel Paint Designs has Australian Floetrol and GAC 800, Australian Floetrol and Pebeo Paints and Boom Gel. That was weird. I love you guys. I post every day at 10:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. You can see that on my community board. You should look for my books on the Amazon link. The Amazon link is on the link tree. The 2 books are Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. I'm going to try and get up and... I don't know what there is for shimmer in here. I'm sure there's some. I always wanted to just do one of these, straight up. Good, I love it when my phone is not flashing. Oh, there's some beautiful stuff going on in there. Let's see if I can straighten the painting out. Either that or the camera. I don't know if you can see that. I hope so. I'm not going to mind my gaps. I'll just fill them in with some of that semi-gloss varnish and call it good. I could have had more. I could have done more of a dribble. And it still would have been nice because the colors were great. I couldn't waste them. Wow. That's from the silver, I think. Anyway, so what did I not tell you? Please give me a thumbs up when you like my videos. You help me out. When you share them, you help me out. Your comments help my morale and they help me out. Thank you for the donations through PayPal. The icon is on the bottom right-hand corner of my YouTube channel banner. I want to zoom in more. I was trying to get rid of paint chips on my thumb and first finger. Anyway, so I love you guys. I hope you come again. Check out my email address. It's easpbgallery and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com. If you're interested in information regarding purchasing an artwork, please do. Or lessons. I give lessons at the house one-on-one. My community board will show you tomorrow's video. I mentioned it was 10:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. You can have almost all of my artworks transposed onto clothing or whatever they sell at Spring, Le Galerist, Society 6, Pixels.com, and Fine Art America. And let me know if I can answer any questions. This is tremendous. I had very little to do with it. I just applied the paint and made sure that there was enough paint on there to flow paint. Even my accidents worked out pretty well. I'm a lucky girl, and I'm lucky that you're here. I hope you come again soon, and I'm going to say goodbye for now, and whatever I've forgotten, you'll see in another video. I got to get those paint chips off of my fingers. I'm afraid they're going to fall in the painting. Anyway, so I love you. I hope you come again. I'll see you anon. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. How many times did I say that? Anyway, I love you. No matter how many times I say it, I never get tired of it telling you. You guys inspire the heck out of me. Bye for now. Priscilla out.